Relámpago House by h3o Architects in Barcelona, Spain. The house, with a gable roof, is characterized by the materialization of lighting as a central element that defines and separates the interior spaces. The lighting, when transformed into a wall and luminaire, clearly and immediately structures and shapes the functioning of the different rooms. La Casa Relámpago is a project that speaks of one of our great concerns in space exploration: morphology and color approached from fantasy. We took advantage of the incredible history of a lightning bolt that struck the house years ago as a starting point for our inspiration, highlights Adrià Orriols, Joan Gener, and Miquel Ruiz from h3o Architects. With this renovation, the studio's main intention is to generate a unique architectural experience that departs from the usual bland interiors. By combining transgressive architecture with an idea full of identity, a proposal is created that fuses geometries, materials, and colors, giving life and shape to a stimulating interior where the fluidity between spaces becomes the indisputable protagonist. From a morphological perspective, this challenge is approached with a zigzag distribution that shapes and divides the different areas of the house. Composed of angular lines and geometries that flow and link to each other, the project creates a visual and spatial effect that surprises the user. In addition, the wide range of vibrant colors strategically applied to the different masses and planes of the house allows for highlighting the shapes and volumes, as well as distinguishing and unifying spaces. This chromatic choice creates an atmosphere that challenges the usual spatiality of the user and, in combination with a series of seemingly contextualized small stone elements, paves the way for sensations and memories that transform the space. La Casa Relámpago transcends the conventional notion of home. By celebrating the passion for the arts through an authentic narrative, its goal is to awaken a different perspective towards everyday life, one where creativity and originality are the essence of each day.